The foam mini stability ball is a variation of our best-selling mini stability balls. Use it as a full-body workout prop and a self-massage tool. The soft density foam makes it ideal for targeted therapy work, rehydrating tissue in myofascial rolling, made even more effective by the ball's textured surface. When working out, it can be used in sitting, standing, or lying exercises to work arms, abs, glutes, and thighs in any type of training routine at any intensity level. For self-massage, the ball provides just the right amount of pressure, hydrating tissue and increasing circulation for better performance and quicker recovery.